Imagine cruising through the city on a tricycle, but instead of just pedaling around, you're towing a fully functional camper behind you. That's exactly what artist Kevin Sear envisioned with his camper tricycle, a fascinating blend of art, mobility, and self-sufficiency. This unique creation has captured the imagination of adventurers, artists, and tiny home enthusiasts alike, redefining what it means to travel light. Kevin Sear, a Brooklyn-based artist, is known for his unconventional exploration of mobility and urban life. His work often highlights vehicles, especially those that show signs of wear and tear, transforming them into icons of resilience. Among his many projects, the camper tricycle stands out as an intriguing experiment in compact living and transportation. The concept was simple, yet groundbreaking, a human-powered camper that offers both shelter and portability. The camper tricycle consists of a robust tricycle frame supporting a small enclosed cabin at the back. Designed for a single occupant, the structure features a door, a small window, and just enough space inside for a bed and basic storage. It's a micro-home on wheels, perfect for those who dream of escaping the fast-paced world while still maintaining a minimal ecological footprint. Unlike traditional campers or vans that require fuel, this tricycle camper operates solely on human power, making it an environmentally friendly alternative for nomads and city dwellers alike. One of the most striking aspects of the camper tricycle is its aesthetics. The exterior has a handmade, almost nostalgic charm that makes it feel like a mix between a childhood treehouse and a mobile art installation. It looks slightly rugged, yet its detailed craftsmanship reveals the effort and creativity behind its design. The combination of an everyday tricycle with a small, functional living space gives it an almost surreal quality, blurring the lines between transportation and home. The idea of a pedal-pipered camper raises questions about practicality. Could someone actually live in this? Where would they park? How difficult would it be to pedal around a city or through rough terrain? The camper tricycle is not meant for long road trips or high-speed travel, but rather for short, thoughtful journeys. Perhaps an artist's retreat, a unique camping experience, or simply a statement piece that challenges conventional living. It forces the rider to slow down, to experience travel in its purest form, moving at a pace that allows for true interaction with the environment. Beyond its physical structure, the camper tricycle represents something deeper: independence and ingenuity. It speaks to those who embrace alternative lifestyles, rejecting the constraints of traditional housing and expensive rent, in favor of something simple and self-sustaining. At a time when urban spaces are becoming more congested and housing costs are soaring, micro-living solutions like this offer a glimpse into how people might rethink personal space and mobility in the future. While the camper tricycle remains more of an artistic statement than a widely adopted mode of living, it has sparked discussions around sustainability, minimalism, and innovative housing solutions. It fits within a growing movement that values small, efficient spaces over excess and waste. Whether it's the tiny house movement, van life, or off-the-grid living, Kevin Sear's creation aligns with a broader cultural shift toward reimagining what we truly need to live comfortably and happily. The sheer ingenuity of the camper tricycle also makes it an object of curiosity. People who see it on the street are likely to stop, stare, and ask questions. What is it? How does it work? Is someone actually living in there? The tricycle forces interaction, prompting conversations about creativity, sustainability, and the boundaries between public and private space. It disrupts expectations, reminding us that not all homes have to be stationary and not all journeys require a motor. Kevin Sear's work extends beyond just this single project, but the camper tricycle remains one of his most thought-provoking pieces. It challenges us to rethink our relationship with movement and shelter, inviting us to consider new possibilities for urban living. While it may not be the future of mass housing, it certainly serves as an inspiration for those looking to push the boundaries of design, mobility, and independence. For those who dream of adventure but prefer a slower, more intimate experience, the camper tricycle embodies the essence of simple, deliberate travel. It is a reminder that mobility doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or harmful to the environment. Instead, it can be as simple as a bicycle, a sturdy frame, and a place to call home, even if just for a night. The camper tricycle might not be for everyone, but it offers a refreshing perspective in a world that often prioritizes speed and convenience over experience and sustainability. It's a tribute to the power of human ingenuity, proving that sometimes the best way forward is to slow down, rethink, and pedal our way to new possibilities.